So here we have a post-it note. You'll see it's right justified, which means it's aligning itself with the right edge of the browser, and it's floating. These are pretty popular. Let's go ahead and look at the add script here. Here it is. You'll notice it's at the root of the DOM. It doesn't need to be nested in any other divs or anything like that. And that's because it floats on top of the entire page. And it aligns itself, importantly, with the browser window. So there's options to align it with the left edge, the center line, or the right edge of the browser window. It's worth noting that it's useful to create a dedicated add position for the server tag for this unit. That just makes trafficking and inventory management much easier to deal with. So for this particular post-it, it came down from the right corner there. That's the default justification. It goes to the top of the browser and it goes to the right edge of the browser. That can be changed, however, when you go get the add script from within the Impact Engine account. And the way the add really works is it's in a div, it's in an HTML div, and it expands the div down and to the left, and then you see the note come out with the hand animation. And then when it gets closed, when the hand pulls the note back, basically the div shrinks back. So that's essentially all that's really going on, and obviously it's a Flash movie inside that div. The add unit does follow the IAB polite standards when loading data and content. And by default, the unit waits for the HTML onload event before loading and rendering. But that setting can also be changed when you go get the add script. And that's essentially it. It's a pretty straightforward deployment for these, again, because it can live right here at the root of the DOM, in the body, right here underneath the body tag, because it just can float above everything and aligns itself with the browser. There's really not a lot of positioning concerns involved. So like I said, that's about it, and good luck with that one.